Hey guys, welcome back. So the other day I told you after we got the Mustang brakes mounted to the car, we need to go to Ameriflex. Well, they got them made for us pretty quick. I don't know if you guys remember me showing you this video.
Of Ameriflex right outside of Tulsa.
And after we got that made, now we're here. We get to get the car cleaned off the rest of the way because I got a car shown about 8 weeks. Trying to get it done, do some tests on the road, but we need to get these finished and installed because it's getting warm outside. Even though I'm wearing a hoodie, it's still like 60 degrees right now. So it's getting there, but it's almost car cruising season and I'm ready to take this thing for a ride, test out these new brakes. Today we're back at it with the Charger. I just want to show you a couple of things that we ended up having to do. So thank God that in Tulsa, I actually have the ability to go to Ameriflex. They're this great place. They're able to make some of these high pressure fittings custom made, give them the measurement, and they will make it for you on demand. So what I was looking at, this is the old setup. So this would come from the main line at the brake booster down the driver's side, come to the rear differential. This is the distribution block. Come around to this fitting. To me, it's kind of weak, the whole setup. I could change the fitting towards the correct thread pitch, but it just seemed kind of weak. So, thank goodness for the people at Ameriflex. They have some of these marvelous fittings, and we can have professional setup, just like that. Very cool. Up underneath here, the distribution block mounts right here. And what you're going to do if you're going to get some custom lines made like this through Ameriflex or somewhere else is you're going to measure from the distribution block to where you need it to mount to the caliper, and then vice versa, you'll do it to the passenger side. Give them those measurements and tell them the type fittings you need and then the kind of line you're going to prefer, and they'll get it made for you real quick.